Welcome to the online class with Vishwanath Talla sir, Standard 10th English. Student, today we are going to learn about unit number 2, 2.6 World Heritage, Jagatik Warsa. Let's sing warming up. Unit number 2 exercise. Prepare a travel brochure or leaflet of your native place or any town, historical place, hill stations to attract tourists using the points below. Ajanta Ellora Caves, Aurangabad. So point is here. Nearest railway station, nearest airport, nearest bus stand, special feature of the spot, mouth watering special cousin, top 5 spot to visit, have fun, entertainment or other nearby sightseeing spot. These are point of leaflet, tourist leaflet or historical place. Now we are seeing Ajanta Ellora Caves, Aurangabad. Nearest railway station, Aurangabad. Nearest airport, Aurangabad Airport. Nearest bus stand, Central Bus Stand, Aurangabad. Special feature of this is for cave pointing and sculptures. The Ellora Caves are a combinations of 34 caves. The Ellora complex has 12 Buddhist caves, 17 Hindu caves, and 5 Jain caves. The Kailash Temple, mouth watering, special cousin, famous Nawabi biryani pulao, special pav bhaji. Top 5 spot to visit: Ajanta Caves, Ellora Caves, Kailash Temple, Statue of Sleeping Buddha sculpture, have fun entertainment, hill stations, water park, garden, mini rail, waterfalls, not water rail, sorry, waterfalls. Other nearby sightseeing spot: Bibika Maqbara, Siddharth Garden, Daulatabad Fort, Grisneswar Jyotirling Temple. Vocabulary in this chapter: heritage, meaning heritage means that which is valued because of historical, natural, cultural importance, म्हणजेच वारसा. Characteristics, distinguish features of the qualities, वैशिष्ट्यपूर्ण. Artifact, any object made by human being, मानव निर्मित वस्तू. Scores of, plenty of, many of, असंख्य. Dismantling, dismantling, dissembling, dismantling means dissembling, pulling down, संपुष्टात येणे. Initiated, begun, started, आरंभ, सुरुवात. Inventory, a detailed list, यादी करणे. Recommendations, suggestions, proposals, सिफारस. Criteria, fix, basic to judge, निकष. To inscribe, to print, to write, to the engrave, यादीत नाव घेणे. Territory, region, प्रदेश किंवा प्रांत. Urbanization, include more areas in cities, expand city area, म्हणजेच नागरीकरण. Allocate, assign, वाटून देणे. Margin questions is here. What significant aspects will a World Heritage Site have? A World Heritage Site should have a site determined by the UNESCO to have significant cultural or natural importance to humanity. Second, what do World Heritage Site include? World Heritage Site included forests, lakes, buildings, monuments or cities. यामध्ये जंगले, तलाव, इमारती, स्मारके आणि शहरांचा समावेश असतो. जागतिक वारसामध्ये. Number third, why did UNESCO launch an international campaign in 1959? So UNESCO launched an international campaign in 1959 to protect the temples and artifacts. Number four, why did a White House conference in United States call for a World Heritage Trust? The White House conference in the United States called for the World Heritage Trust to protect historical culture sites but also protect the world significant natural and scientist. Number 5, what does World Heritage Community consist of? The World Heritage Community consists of representatives from 21 state parties. What is the World Heritage Community responsible for? The World Heritage Community is responsible for the identifying and nominating new sites within their territory to be considered for including on the World Heritage list. Number 7. When was the conversion concerning the protections of the world cultural and natural heritage adopted and by whom? The convention concerning the protections of world cultural and natural heritage was adopted by UNESCO General Conference on November 16, 1972. Who makes recommendations to the World Heritage Community? Two advisory bodies considering of the international counseling. One monument and sites, the World Conservation Union make recommendations to the World Heritage Community. Number 9. What is the Peru's Machu Picchu example of? The Peru's Machu Picchu is an example of mixed heritage sites. Now seeing English workshop, write the importance of a year given below with the reference to the World Heritage Site. So you will write down the book and find out the importance of year given below. So 1959, UNESCO launched an international campaign to protect the temples and artifacts in Egypt. 1965, a White House conference in the US called off World Heritage. 1968, the International Union of the Conservations of the Nature developed similar goal as above. 1972, the International Union for the Conservation of Natural. So conservation means samvardhan. Conservations of nature presented the goal at United Nations Conference of Human Environment in Stockholm, Sweden. 2009, there are 890 World Heritage Sites that are located in 148 countries in map. Name the following. The country where Mount Hongsen is situated in China. The famous dam in Egypt or on River Nile, Aswan High Dam. The place where the conference based on human environment has held, Stockholm, Sweden. The country in which the highest number of world heritage sites are 44, Italy. The body which can exclude insights from World Heritage, its World Heritage Committee. Complete the following sentences. The World Heritage Site including forests, lakes, monument, buildings and cities. There were around 890 World Heritage Sites in the world. The role of the World Heritage Committee is to list these sites as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The tenure of World Heritage Committee is 6 year. We can get more information about World Heritage Site from the website www at whc.unesco.org. Complete following web by giving reason by the World Heritage Sites are in dangers. World Heritage Sites are in dangers. Uncontrolled urbanization, poaching, natural disaster, acid rain, heavy tourist traffic, human instructions, pollutions, or war. Answer in your own. What are the duties toward preservation of any historical site? So you will read the answer. What are the duties toward preservations of any historical site? Second, why should we preserve the World Heritage Site? Why should we preserve the World Heritage Site? Next, what is the role of World Heritage Site in promoting tourism in any country? Next activities. Read the following duties toward preserva- preservative of any historical sites and make sentence about each of the duties. Obey rule and regulations. Visit must obey the rules and regulations displayed at the entrance. Maintain displaying and order. Maintain cleanliness. Cultural heritage. And then following are the ways to preserve World Heritage Site. Transfer this point into small paragraph suggested suitable title. So point is practical conservation of posterity, human animal trespassing, unmonitored, uncontrolled, unrestricted access, threat of local administrative negligence. So preserving World Heritage Site in our duties. This is title. Now complete another exercise. Find from the text minimum 8 words related to culture, heritage and make a world register. Arrange them in an alphabetically order. Art, artifact, culture, literature, monument, site, template, territory. That is arrange on alphabetically order. Look at the word and their meaning. Underline the correct alternatives. Determine, decide. Monument, memorable building. Significant, important. Disaster, calamity. Number 13. Rewrite the following sentences using not only but also and as well as in two separate sentences. You will use not only but also and as well as shown in examples. UNESCO and International Council on Monuments initiated a draft conventions to create an international organizations responsible for the protecting cultural heritage. Here you will use not only in beginning in sentence. Not only UNESCO but also the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft conventions to create an international organization responsible for the protecting cultural heritage. Such as you will complete the following sentences. No sooner than. Retitled sentences replacing as well as by or no sooner than. Not the phrase no sooner must always be followed by an auxiliary means helping verbs. For example, as soon as he came, they all gave an apology. No sooner did he came than all gave an apology. As soon as the bill is passed, it will become an act. No sooner is the bill passed than it will become an act. As soon as the thief escaped, the family informed the police. No sooner did the thief escape than the family informed the police. So you will complete the following sentence just like that. Prepare a tourism leaflet or any town of the following. You may refer to the point given in the warming up. So point is here your hometown, a historical place, a place of the natural beauty, a place of pilgrimage. You will complete the tourism leaflet following. Thank you.